Once you have a dimension on your project, you can use the properties and some other editing to modify it. So for example, in the linear dimension, if you select it, you'll see there are some grips. So depending on the grip you choose, you can change the orientation or even the dimension itself. So if I pick a new location for this point, you'll see that it's actually changing the dimension itself. If I pick over here, the same thing, I can move the text away from the arc, I can change the arc radius and even choose the different location. You'll also note if you go to properties, you can control any of the properties of the dimension. So if you wanted to, you can come down and change any of the extension sizes, the arrowheads, the arrowhead type, so on and so forth. So if I wanted to make one a dot, I could do that, something like that. If I wanted to make it a circle or a tilde, I could do something like that. So a lot of different things you can do with the properties. If you want to simply edit the text, you could do that down here where it says edit text, it says yes or no. So if I double click on this, you'll notice that I can actually do an in-place text edit. So if I was to edit or call this drainage easement, something like this, you'll see that it actually changes that text location. Now the dimension is still connected, so when I do this, it still resets itself. So again, you can modify some of the properties, but just be careful of how you do that.